Most people quit meal planning because of the same basic 5 mistakes. I used to cook for 200 plus people in the Coast Guard. Even I made some of the same mistakes. I'm going to teach you exactly how to fix them. I'll start by explaining what the 5 mistakes actually are real quick. The first one is not planning around your schedule. Number 2, ignoring budget constraints. Number 3, overcomplicating recipes. 4, not balancing macros, nutrition. And 5, skipping grocery list planning. Now we're going to go through how to actually fix them. So mistake number 1, not planning around your schedule. This is a huge one and especially tough if you have a big family, friend group, busy work schedule, a million different reasons why it could be hard, right? Now, the fix number 1, it's simply trying to match your meals to your actual schedule. Now that might sound easier just reading it off the screen or me saying it, but you really have to dive into your week, what that actually looks like for you, right? Do you have soccer practice on Tuesday nights? Do you have something to get to Wednesday, Thursdays mornings? Whatever that is, write it down on a piece of paper, morning, lunch, and dinner time, and how your schedule actually looks so you can figure out what you have time to actually cook for. It's a very important part of the process. For instance, if your Tuesday is crazy, don't plan that 5-step recipe, right? Prepping around your life is going to equal success. Very important. Mistake number 2, ignoring budget constraints. Another one that's easier said than done, right? But you really need to set clear weekly budgets. Back when I was on the ship, we'd set a clear budget. 6-month deployment for a couple hundred people, we'd spend about 150 to 200 grand or so. Within that, depending the sailor count. So we're going to lower the numbers for you, I would hope. Deciding ahead of time, $80, $120, whatever it may be. Pro step, if you can look up your groceries, say you're shopping at a big chain like Walmart, for instance, you can actually look up your cost of ingredients and kind of map out what that recipe and ingredients will cost for the whole week or however many recipes you're cooking, right? That's kind of pro level right there. But to start, just ballpark it, If you're making rice, beans, and chicken, can of rice is a few bucks. A few cups of rice is another couple bucks, right? Chicken might be super expensive, but just kind of ballpark it on a notepad and go from there. And as you look at this and do it more and more, it'll just be pro level. You'll be able to guess it like pretty on point, trust me. Number 3, overcomplicating recipes. Nobody likes recipes with a million ingredients in them. Pick 3 to 4 simple anchor recipes. Now, anchor recipes meaning, for instance, me for breakfast, my wife and I, we love overnight oats. Very easy, oatmeal, some oat milk, whatever else we're throwing in, some berries and stuff. That's one of our core meals we go to almost every single week for breakfast. Have some of those anchor meals. It's going to help you not overcomplicate the recipes and keep it very simple. So stick with easy, repeatable meals and rotate them weekly. This is going to be a key step to avoiding mistake number 3. Number 4 is kind of a tough one, right? Not balancing your macros, nutrition. If you're interested in that, just overall keeping it a little healthier though should be within your interest, I hope. So making a visual macro tracking easy. So that means using Canva, a whiteboard, MyFitnessPal, or just keep it very simple and use a notepad. Keeping it simple is the key to your success. You should be able to look at the notepad and be like, all right, I'm going to eat eggs and oatmeal one morning, and the next morning I'm going to have sausage, bacon, fried potatoes, whatever. That's kind of an unhealthy meal, right? You can kind of look at it and get a general sense of what's healthy and what's not, or you can use one of these apps, right? It's really up to you, whatever your goals are. Mistake number 5, skipping that grocery list planning. Don't do this. Trust me, grocery shopping, I can't stand it, which is kind of funny, right? I really don't like it. But creating that automated grocery list, and what I mean by that is if you've got an iPhone, you've got a reminder app on there. If you got Android, stop watching this. No, I'm just kidding. Whatever other app, like reminder app, use the same thing and type in your ingredients for your recipe, exact amounts or as close to it as you can get so you don't overshop, and try to be really strategic and stick to that list. You can also just keep it really simple and use a notepad to a piece of paper. That's always a good option, right? Now you're going to be a pro meal planner. So give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more.